If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Also, click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new recipe on the channel.
Hello, Namaste. Pizzas and pastas are in vogue these days. Kids and adults all love them. And kids especially like to eat white sauce pasta. And when I talk of pizzas, I have a recipe of 10-minute pan pizza that gets ready in just 10 minutes from the scratch. You can also check 2-minute garlic breadsticks and cheese burst pizza balls. And today I'll show you how to make the easiest white sauce pasta. I like to add vegetables in this pasta. If you do not want vegetables, just leave them. Please note the ingredients needed to make white sauce pasta. List is also given in description below. First of all, we need to heat water in a pot. To that water, add in about 1 teaspoon of salt or namak. And here we have chopped carrot or gajar, green peas or matar. In that, I'll put little bit of hot water and keep them aside. This will make the vegetables soft. When water comes to a boil, add in dry pasta and cook it fully. No confusion here. I cook my pasta fully. It should be nice and soft. When done, drain and keep aside. This is pasta's water. It can be used in cooking if needed. Here, heat butter or makhan on medium-low heat. Add in 3/4 tablespoon of all-purpose flour or maida and cook it on medium-low heat till you smell a nice fragrance. When it's done, add a little bit of whole cream milk or bina malai utra doodh. Make a nice paste and add more milk. Mix well and the heat is still low. Add little bit of black pepper or kali mirch powder. After that, some more milk here. So we are going to add 1 full cup of milk here, but in batches. Time to add in some Italian herbs. In about a minute or so, the sauce would begin to thicken. Add in the drained vegetables. Cook for about 1 minute. Check for salt and spices. Add little more if you need. Cook for about a minute and add in the drained pasta. Mix well and let the sauce thicken. Add little more black pepper powder and some chili flakes if you like them. The sauce would coat the pasta and it will be creamy to look at. It's ready to be served. If you feel the sauce has thickened too much, you can add the pasta water, but a little bit. So enjoy this pasta warm, with vegetables or without vegetables. Thanks for watching.